This video, I am going to show you how to fix the page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access error in Windows 11. So let's start the video. First, open the local group policy editor by pressing Windows plus R key and typing gpedit.msc. Now press enter. In the editor, locate and click on user configuration on the left pane. Now expand administrative templates by clicking the small arrow. Next, find and click on control panel within the administrative templates. Finally, double click on settings page visibility and set it to not configured. Click apply and then OK. Now restart your computer to apply the changes. If that method doesn't work for you, then using the Windows PowerShell can surely solve your issue. First, click on the Windows search icon and type PowerShell into the search bar. In the search results, right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. If prompted by the user account control, click Yes to allow PowerShell to run with administrative privileges. Once in PowerShell, run the following command to remove any restrictive group policies. This command is given in the video description. After running that command, it will delete the Windows policies that might be causing the restriction. After that, type the following command to refresh group policies. Once the policies are updated, restart your computer to apply the changes. This should fix the Your IT administrator has limited access error.